Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Gardyn Smart Indoor Garden app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Gardyn is a smart indoor gardening app designed to work with Gardyn's hydroponic growing systems. The app helps users grow vegetables, herbs, and leafy greens at home by automating light, water, and nutrient management. It's available on both iOS and Android and connects directly with Gardyn devices through Wi-Fi for real-time monitoring. The app's main feature is its remote management system. You can check plant growth, adjust lighting schedules, monitor water levels, and receive reminders for tank refills and maintenance. Gardyn also includes its AI assistant, Kelby, which analyzes plant health through camera sensors and sends alerts when plants need attention. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its ease of use, clear care notifications, and the convenience of automated indoor gardening. Real-time device monitoring and high-yield results are also commonly praised. The app helps beginners grow produce successfully even with no gardening experience. However, there are some drawbacks. Advanced features may require a subscription, and the system relies heavily on a stable Wi-Fi connection. Some users report occasional sensor misreads or delayed notifications. In addition, hardware maintenance, such as cleaning and refilling water, may be time-consuming for some users. In summary, the Gardyn app may be worth using if you want a fully automated indoor gardening system with AI guidance, remote monitoring, and reliable plant care alerts. However, if you prefer traditional gardening or don't want subscription-based smart features, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.